Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you some steps to remove collaboration reels from profile grid. So the first step, guys, open your Instagram and launch Instagram app and your mobile device. After that, go to top profile picture and click the top right corner and access your profile, as you can see here, and go to reels section. After that, click on your profile, view all reels, and after that select your reels to find the collaboration reels you want to remove from profile grid, and open reels and click on the top three dot icon, as you can see here. After that, click off the reel and click stop sharing option. Click on the stop or similar option to share and click remove reel from profile grid. And this is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.